Get ready. Start. The Public Accounts Committee are very particular about the final and prompt disposal of audit objections, inspection reports outstanding with the various departments. At present, the state of affairs in the matter is far from satisfactory, as the number of pending audit objections is ever increasing. The committee are of the view that with the passage of time it would become increasingly difficult, if not impossible, to settle the outstanding audit objections, inspection reports, as much as the officials concerned, who may be in a position to explain the irregularities, may retire or may otherwise quit service, or the connected records may no longer be forthcoming. Next para. The question regarding the prompt disposal of audit objections, inspection reports has been considered by the government afresh in consultation with the Accountant General Punjab, and they observe that in case of inspection reports, the first requirement is to prepare a reply and put up to the audit, and in case of audit objections, to prepare annotation for the audit. In both the cases, the responsibility rests with the departments concerned. The majority of the defects in central audit relate to non-production of documents, and as embezzlements may be involved, it is quite necessary to be very cautious. In the light of experience of the clearance of areas of audit objections, etc., government have decided that the deputy secretaries in the Department of Finance should contact their counterparts in their respective administrative departments and discuss with them and their accounts officers the difficulties being experienced by them in the matter of the settlement of audit objections, inspection reports. Next para. The primary concern in this behalf is that of the administrative departments, as replies are to be prepared by them, and the role of the Department of Finance representatives would be confined to the review of the position every fortnight or so. These reviews will throw up problems, and the cases can then be listed for relaxation. At this stage, the department can associate Accountant General Punjab's representative and considered the points on which relaxation by the department. In the light of that, the outstanding audit objections may accordingly be disposed of expeditiously by arranging meetings of drawing and disbursing officers, heads of offices, with the inspection officers, senior auditor of the audit parties. Next para. The receipt of this communication may kindly be acknowledged. Stop.